This video is just to give you a heads up for what exams will look like. Some questions may be short answer or multiple choice, but many, if not most this semester, are likely to be file upload type. This means the intent is that you work out the solution on paper, showing all the appropriate work, and then upload a scan or a photo of your work to the problem on the exam. So how is this accomplished in a timed exam setting? Well, that's the point of this video. The first thing you're going to need is time management, but you'll also need an overall plan for how you're going to upload your files. So I've been doing the system for a few semesters now, and I can tell you there are about 3 main ways that students handle the file uploading thing during an exam. So the first is to simply initiate your exams on a mobile device directly. Let's see an example of this. So here we are within a sample exam, and I'm using an iPad here. And in fact, I'm using the Canvas app, which you can use to initiate exams directly, but you could also just use a mobile browser within your device. So in any case, here we are at a question. We have to factor this expression. Okay, I think I've worked out a solution on paper, and I'm ready to upload it. So I'm going to hit upload here and take photo or video. Let's make sure everything I want is in the frame. And there we are. Now at this point for you, you'll get a little confirmation right here that says you successfully uploaded the file or something like that. I'm not getting that confirmation because I'm not actually a student. This isn't really a real test. In any case, you will get such a message. So of course the really nice thing here is that we're using the same device to initiate the exam as we are to actually take photos, so there's no burden of transferring files from one device to another. Another common method is to initiate your exams on a desktop browser, but then using a mobile device to take pictures. Note, however, that by doing this, you are now burdened with finding a way of transferring the photos from your phone to your computer. I'll leave it to you in these instances to figure out if you want to AirDrop or email the files to yourself or use a cloud or whatever. Finally, a third method is just to use a desktop browser and a webcam to take photos of your work. Let's take a quick look at this process. Okay, so this time we've initiated the exam on a desktop browser, and we're going to use a webcam to get a picture of our solution. So let's quickly do that first. Hello. So we're going to make sure that the solution is fully within the frame of the image. We'll call this guy solution. And now we can select our file. There it is. Upload. And once again, you'll have a little reassuring message here that says it was uploaded. I don't get that message. And there we are. I would like to add that you may use a tablet if you like, with an app like Notability or GoodNotes. Also, if you prefer, you can wrap all of your solutions into a single PDF and upload that to a single answer on the exam, leaving the rest blank. Don't worry. I'll figure everything out when I grade, and I'll put all the right pieces where they need to go. I had a lot of students do this last semester, which they said greatly diminished the burden of uploading multiple files separately. Okay, so what if the 2-hour timer runs out and you missed uploading a file or two? Well, please try not to let that happen. However, I understand that it might occur on occasion. If it does, don't panic. Immediately stop what you're doing and just email me your files directly. I'll sort it all out when I get to the grading. Note, however, that your email that has the attachment with your files must be sent within a 10-minute window after the end of your exam, and I will be checking the clock there. Files received 11 minutes or later, I'm not going to take those. Now, I'm providing a mock practice exam which will appear at least a week before your first exam. You may take this mock exam as many times as you'd like, as needed, to practice whatever methods you'd like to try for uploading files. Or maybe you'd like to try a few different techniques and see which one you're most comfortable with. That's what it's for. So take the mock exam, ignore the mock exam, it's entirely up to you. At no point am I going to grade your answers on it. The whole point of it is for you to practice uploading files before prime time. So, okay, suppose you've uploaded all your files and you've submitted your exam. Well, now you're done. So, congratulations, you can go relax.